Ok, eu vou começar a falar inglês, porque eu acho que ela vai começar a ver. Ah, perfeito. Tá perfeito aqui. Tô ouvindo minha voz. Vai. Okay, let's start. How to instantiate your or object. Okay, first of all, we need to look for our class here. We have a lot of class. What do you do with it? If I want to instantiate the actor as an object, I only need to write actor. Oh, sorry, I forgot to explain one thing before. In Java, I need to talk to this class, the main class, that what class are related with this class. So what I need to do is to type import and say the address. So is this packet address dot the class name. So we want to instantiate the class actor. Okay, we did it. Now what will you do is to write the name of the class actor. Pode, pode. Isso, eu estou importando ele. Estou dizendo que essa classe está relacionada a essa classe que eu estou mexendo, que é OregonTrail.java. Why I need to do it? What is your question? Why I need? It's a good question. Because this class, uh, so I will explain. We have many of classes. We can create many classes and etc. A class is is a description of an object. But in all Java programming, we have the main class. Why is the main class? When you start your program, the operational system or the Java platform will search the main class. Here is where you started your program. The main class is where we will start your program. It's only it. It's because it. If you could be other class, but my class is Oregon Trail Java, so we only can instantiate. Just is the start program. We can instantiate a object in other class. For example, we have here an object. You can look. We have a array list wagon. Wagon is equal new array wagon. Array list is a kind of object. We is in this kind of class. This class is inside the Java. So we instantiate a class here. But the main class is where we will start the program. It makes sense? Okay, let's continue. So we have here imported to our class. So to instantiate our class, we need to type the name of the class, and we need to say what variable will be um, sorry. Yes, we need to say what variable will be related with your class, the object that we are instantiating. So actor, what actor I will build? It's Goku. The name of variable is Goku. So Goku is a kind of class actor, will receive new actor. So new object. Okay. Goku will receive a new actor. What is have a red line saying that it is wrong? Because we need to say the parameters inside the constructor. It is the constructor. So let's go to actor. What is the parameter of the constructor? The constructor always is the class, it always is the method with the same name of the class. Class actor, public actor. Here we have two parameters. We have the parameter name and the parameter occupation. It's two kinds of strings. So let's go back. What is the name? Who? Comma to separate the uh, elements that we are assigning to the constructor. Constructor occupation. Goku is a fighter. Okay, we have instantiate your object. Always that we want to change something or to call this object, we will call Goku. So how we will change something in the actor. For example, the actor don't have is private the variables, so we don't have access to these variables, but we have access to all the functions, all the methods inside this class. So we can't type here Goku.name because it's private. Yes, for example, if Goku name was public, it would be possible. But for Java Bean, we can't do something like this. We need to input private. We come back here. What we need to do to set a name? We need set name. What name I will change in my actor? I will change this for Geta. I believe that is like this. Copter. Oh, sorry, set game not. It's set name. Sorry. You're right. Okay. I changed. Oh, I'll do an example. I will comment this line. Let's see what are inside your or object. System.out.print line. What you want to print? Goku dot string. Yes. What is toString? toString, we add it before. Remember? Yes, we did the code font, insert code. Where is it? Oh, sorry. Insert code, and this select toString. So what will you do to string? When someone call this function, what this function will do? Will return a text actor, will concatenate the name of the actor, will concatenate his health, will concatenate his occupation. I comment point because we don't have to create this class, but maybe in the future we will do it. So I comment it. And we concatenate with the life. Okay, let's come back here. So yes, we'll no, yes, the Java Bean did it. Sorry, the NetBean did it alone. Yes. For example, I erase the toString. I will insert again. toString. It did all these things for me automatically. Yes. But I will return because I did a point here. Okay. So toString. If I play, what will happen? The NetBeans console will tell to me the output. Actor name equals Goku, health status, health, occupation, fighter, life equals 0. Yes. So if I want to change the name, let's change this code. I will play again. The name now is Vegeta. Vegeta. Yes, is only it. Yes, yes, yes. So I will give you another example. For example, we have a game. Game have a parameter in the constructor. The parameter is player. I need a player to have a game. So what I can do with it? So for example, in the my class, I create a game, a player. Let's create a gamer. I need to import first, but I will write here and I will leave the NetBeans to suggest it for me. For example, player will be among. Oops, among. Among is the variable you receive a new player object. What is the parameter of the player? I don't remember. Let's see it. Player, what are you? The parameter of the player is on the name. What is the name? Is among. Alt enter. Add is import for me. Thank you. So what will you do with it? Let's start our game object. Game. What is the name of the game? Um, First game. You receive a new game. What is the parameter? The game. Game need a player as a parameter. What will the parameter? Will be the variable amount. Let's insert it. Okay. Okie dokie. Let system.out let print what we have inside your variables. What we have inside the amount.toString. And what we have inside the first game dot toString. So let's see. In the player, we have Amon. He have a no game. In game, we have total time. Player Amon. Game nothing. Actor. Pa, 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 pa. So we have something to do. For example, we can assign an actor, a map, inventory item. So let's do it. For example, Amon. We have a game to set to him, to assign to him. Oh, show to me again. Okay, let's begin with the player. What do you do? Amon dot set games. Oh, it's wrong. We need to put a singular. All things need to be in singular. What is it? In player. Set game. Set game. Okay. Do it again. Set game. What will be the game of the Amon? Will be first game. Oh, what is wrong? Ah, it's a list of games. Hmm. So you are asking to us a list. We change it. But the variable name is games. Oh, okay. Please. I'll do a variable here. So we don't need to do it, but so uh, I'm doing it, but we don't need to do it. But okay, game. What position of the list? So will be quantity of game. Receive game. This game. Ah, yes. It should be the parameter set. Okay. Need to fix this. And then you can click on the red signs. For example, if it have a S here, oh, no, a numbers, I don't know. We have a red line here. If you click on the red line, the NetBeans you will will help you to find the error. Okay, on save, and let's go see it. Okay, I'm doing an example. For example, we are doing assigning a object to the list, but we don't need to do it for this assignment. Okay, if I play again, I will see the error. Okay, let's come back out things. Okay, forget it. It's not uh, working. Let's do again the player change. Okay, all things are right again. I will delete it. Okay. Okay, but it's only to assign a to create your object. The override. The override. Yes, the override will override a function in the class object. But is we need to, we don't need to uh, I forgot the word. We don't need to think about it. We don't need to worry. Mm. Yes, it's only it. And assign a value to him. Let me see the requirements. I will sleep. Monday I will send it. Yes, it's Sunday now for me. I'm Sunday. This is the problem for me. So yes. Uh, Individual assignment. Oh, sorry, it is a team assignment. In the individual assignment, I will look what the instructor asks us to do. So create at least one instance of the class. Okay, create one instance. We had created. Create one instance is it is a instance of the class. The instance. Call to string function and display the contents to the console. Okay, is only it. I don't know. No, it's only to push. It's only to push. Right click here. Git, remote, pull. Oh, sorry. Do a commit, pull. After this, after it, we'll send, we'll push. And then we'll note the code. We'll note the git code, the commit code, and you send it. Git commit ID. It's only it. After you did the commit, go to GitHub, repository, Oregon Trail. Oh, sorry. Where I can watch the commits? Ah, here, commit, commit. You saw, Elias? Okay. You enter in the repository commits. Yes, it is the commit ID. Yes, the commit ID. This is the commit ID, I believe. It's not? Yes, it. Yes, it. Because it's more easy to find some change with the ID. I don't know how. Oh, it's here. Oh, sorry, that rent name is invalid. Find or create a branch. Oh, okay. I don't know how I can. I I remember that in the videos told about this code. If I remember well, is this code. Okay, we can copy it. It copy the full SHE, the SHA. Yes, not my, but no, it's okay. My community is it. Or your location class, not silver. Okay, is this is mine. I don't know why, but What my wagon is not deleted? It's very strange. It's more easy. Okay, I don't know why it's happening. It's very strange. What you need to put in the instruction, the PDF say to put the data. I don't know, PDF wrong. I say to put the data. As you. Rio de Janeiro, man. I did my commit. I hope that it will work now. Ah, oh, one moment. That's right. Why I have wagon? Something is wrong. I wrong. I did a commit, remote. Hmm? Okay. See you, man. Okay. This is our stream. Don't forget to comment below and to do a like in our video and to subscribe for our channel. See you.